Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. In this video, we will talk about project manager salaries in Taiwan. Taiwan is this East Asian country, and if you have never seen it, where it is located in the map, here you can see next to China. Actually, it's an island nation next to China. This is where Taiwan is. And what can you as a project manager expect to earn here? Now, the numbers that we see in this video will be in the Taiwan dollar. And I'd like to mention here that $1 is equals to 30.7 Taiwan dollars. So keep that in mind when you see the numbers that we are going to talk about in this video. Now, every time we do videos like these, we refer to a PMI report known as the salary survey. All copyrights acknowledged, no copyrights infringement intended. Get yourselves your own copy of this report by becoming a PMI member. The membership comes with loads of benefits, including access to reports like these. We'll just look at numbers for Taiwan. We've done other videos covering some other countries as well. I'll share a link in the description below. Check out the first link, which will take you to an entire playlist of all the videos that we have done so far. All right, with that being clear, that being said, let's talk about Taiwan. Let's talk about the kind of salary that you can make there. But not just that, we are not just going to give you a number that as a project manager, this is how much you can earn in Taiwan. We'll also answer questions like what kind of education you should have to be able to make the most, which industries pay the most in Taiwan, how big the organization should be that you join so that you can earn the most. Do startups pay more? Do large organizations pay more, right? How many hours do people report working? Questions like these is something that you're going to find answers to in this video as well. All right, that being clear, that being said, let's talk about Taiwan and the kind of salary you can expect in project management. So the numbers are in Taiwan dollars. This is a median figure because median is closest to reality, and it is an annual number. So 1.1 million Taiwan dollars annually is what you can expect to make working in the project management domain in Taiwan. The total compensation, which is going to include some additional benefits as well, that comes out to be around 1.3 million Taiwan dollars annually. Let's talk about how the last 12 months have been. 44% people surveyed said that their salary remained the same in the last 12 months. 12% mentioned that they got a hike of 1 to 3%, while 14% said that they got a hike of 5 to 7%. Now, how does the next 12 months look like? 26% people are expecting that their salary is going to remain the same in the next 12 months as well. 20% think that they are going to get a hike of 5 to 7%, while 13% are hoping a double-digit pay raise from 10 to 15%. So that's the outlook of the next 12 months in Taiwan. Analyze salary by position description. As you rise through the ranks in the project management hierarchy, you can see that your salary is also increasing. And director of PMO is someone who is making the most. You can be an independent project management consultant as well, because consultant is not necessarily a position that follows this hierarchy. Someone who is a consultant can also expect to make 1.6 million Taiwan dollars every year. Analyze salary by years of work experience. As you can see, the number of years as that increase, your salary also increases. This also holds true for years worked in project management. As the number of years increase that you basically devote in the field of project management, your salary is also going to rise. Analyze salary by highest formal education level obtained. People with master's degree earn the most. Having a degree in project management is not necessarily something that you should look out for, because someone without a degree in project management can earn more than someone who has a degree in project management. But definitely PMP certification is something that you can consider, because having a PMP certification sets you up for earning more than someone who does not have a PMP certification. So definitely go for PMP certification if you are in Taiwan or if you want to move there. Now, analyze salary by gender. There is a pay gap for sure. Males are making quite a lot more than females. This is something that I wanted to voice out. Let's talk about analyze salary by department. So if you're someone working in the project management department or the project management office, or let's say engineering, you are going to earn the most in Taiwan. Let's talk about annualized salary by industry, and this is where telco and engineering, these are the two industries that pay the highest in Taiwan. Do you know any large companies that are coming out of Taiwan? TSMC, maybe have you heard that name? Annualized salary by number of employees in entire organization. And you can clearly see here that companies that have 10,000 or more employees, they are the ones that pay the highest in Taiwan. So forget startups, forget mid-sized small companies, go for companies that are large. They are the ones that are paying the most. Annualized salary by average project team size and annualized salary by average project budget. What we have seen so far across the world is, as the number of people on your project increase, as your project becomes more expensive, your salary is also going to rise. Mean hours worked by position description. So everyone is expected to work 40 hours or a little less. People do report working up to 50 hours. So even 49.1 hours, right? So based on the position that they are in, people do report working quite a lot if they are in Taiwan. So that is something to consider if you're in Taiwan, or if you're someone trying to move to Taiwan and work in the project management domain. I hope you found this video helpful. We have loads of videos on project management, PMP preparation, and other project management related certifications as well. So definitely consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.